Okay, this is the old diff off of my E46 M3. What this used to do is at slow tight turns, it would make a winding or grinding kind of sound, about 5-10 miles an hour. Changed out the diff fluid twice on it. Used Royal Purple the first time. Second time I ordered some special diff fluid from BAV Auto. It was like $75 for the liter. The noise went away for a while, came back. Driving down the freeway one day and the thing just went completely out. If I turn it clockwise, it goes for about half a spin and then it locks up. Doesn't move at all. If I go reverse, it'll move a little. Then it'll lock up as well. Makes a grinding sound in there. Locked up now. Now it's tight on there. It'll go the other way. Stuck. Also, it used to leak in here, this area, diff fluid. I didn't figure that out until I changed it out. I got a new one off of eBay for $750 with 60,000 miles on it. So let's see how the other one works. It was not too hard of a change. There's the new one in there. Took about 3 days. So if anybody wants to do it, if you're pretty good at mechanics, give it a try. It's not too bad as long as you have the right tools and stuff. I had to go and pick a couple stuff up, but it wasn't too hard. So if your M3 is doing that winding sound when you're doing slow turns, change out the diff fluid. Maybe you'll get lucky and won't have to change it out with that special diff fluid they sell on BAV Auto, or get ready to change the diff out.